Hey everybody, Max Scoville here for IGN News. Early this morning, speculation ran wild when Hulk Hogan's profile was mysteriously removed from WWE's website and the Tough Enough website. Likewise, all Hogan merchandise suddenly vanished from the company's online shop. Rumors were swirling that Hogan had been released from the company due to some racially insensitive remarks said during radio interviews in which he was discussing an old promo cut by Booker T, but nothing was certain. There was also a tape out there of Hogan saying inflammatory things, and it may have also been his sex tape currently at the center of a lawsuit between Hogan and Gawker, which also contained Hogan using inappropriate racial remarks, per the National Enquirer. The Enquirer has several quotes they say come from the tape that they believe led to Hogan being let go. WWE released the following statement regarding the situation. Quote, WWE terminated its contract with Terry Bollea, aka Hulk Hogan. WWE is committed to embracing and celebrating individuals from all backgrounds as demonstrated by the diversity of our employees, performers, and fans worldwide. In response, Hulk Hogan has given the following statement to People magazine. Quote, 8 years ago, I used offensive language during a conversation. It was unacceptable for me to have used that offensive language. There is no excuse for it, and I apologize for having done it. This is not who I am. I believe very strongly that every person in the world is important and should not be treated differently based on race, gender, orientation, religious beliefs, or otherwise. I am disappointed with myself that I use language that is offensive and inconsistent with my own beliefs. Contradicting WWE's statement, Hogan's lawyer David Houston has stated that Hogan was not fired but instead resigned of his own accord. Houston told People, quote, he decided to resign from WWE because he didn't want to put them or his family through this. For more, stay tuned to IGN.